Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications to see all of my future videos. Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing Double Dip's July Surprise Fun Mystery Box. This is their first ever nail subscription box, and if you don't know, a lot of companies now are coming out with subscription boxes. Basically, you pay a monthly fee and they will send a box of random nail supplies to your door every single month. So here is the subscription box. So you can see this is the July Surprise Fun Mystery Box. So let's go ahead and unbox this package. So I do want to let you guys know that I was sent this box by Double Dip. I am an ambassador for them and I do create content for their YouTube channel. So that is why I got this incredibly adorable letter from Victoria and the Double Dip team. They are so sweet and kind and I absolutely love working with this company. The first thing I'm showing you is 3 cute little stickers. I think this is a nice touch to a mystery box. You get the mystery box insert cards. So this just tells you a little bit about Double Dip as a company, as well as how to get a $15 gift card. Underneath the confetti paper, I see they also included a non-nail related item, which is this Passion Peach black tea. I do like tea, I'm not a huge fan, so it's gonna be interesting to see if I like this one. The next thing is this super cute rose gold mermaid tail fluffy nail brush. So Double Dip's fluffy nail brushes are so soft and I really love how they design their nail brushes. They're super cute and definitely not boring at all. Underneath that, I see some nail stickers. On the left here we have some pink rose petals and on the right are some sunflowers. Here's the instructions on how to apply them. Next, we have some nail swatches. So these are just little swatch sticks that you can apply to your swatch stick ring. And this just allows you to swatch out the dip powder colors that come in this mystery box. The next thing I'm showing you is the Bella Vina gel polish and nail lacquer set. This is the color 478. I absolutely love these gel polish and nail lacquer sets. They're amazing. The next thing I pull out is the Bella Vina peel off base coat and 2 different glitters. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up to show you up close. This first one here is a mixed 5-gram jar of black glitter. I've honestly never had black glitter, so I don't know how this would react, but it looks absolutely beautiful. The next one is also a mixed 5-gram jar of glitter. This one is kind of a white holographic mixed glitter. And of course the peel off base coat. This is a gel peel off base coat, which I've never seen or tried before. Basically you apply it to your nail and then cure, and then you're able to peel off your manicure very easily. Here's the consistency, which is super runny. So I'm very interested to see how this one turns out. Next, they included a mini nail lamp. This is a touch sensor 6-watt travel size nail lamp. I've honestly never seen a nail lamp this size. It's very small, but perfect for one finger. As you can see, here are the lights, and on the top is how you turn it on. And on the back is where you can plug in the cable. This is a USB cable. Honestly, I didn't try it out for this video because the cord is super short and not good for my setup. And here are the 3 dip powder colors that came in this mystery box. These are their standard size dip powder jars, which is 0.5 ounces. This first one here is a chunky dip powder glitter. It is CP012 and it's called Under the Sea. The next one is their custom mixed mystery color. This is a yellow shade. And the last one is 587, which is called Cosmic Ice. So the last thing that I see in this mystery box is a mani-pedi removal kit. The first thing I'm pulling out of the bag are some light pink nail clips. These just hold on the cotton pad with the acetone as you remove your manicure. And the next thing that I'm showing you is a pedicure version of these nail clips. I've never seen nail clips for your feet, so this is going to be interesting to try these out. You get a manicure brush to remove all of the dust from your nails. This kit also includes some hand files. You get 5 Bellavina 180 grit hand files and also a 180 grit hand file. This is a sponge file. You also get a cuticle pusher and a nail removal tool to remove your artificial nails such as acrylic, dip powder, or gel nails. I've honestly never used one of these, so I can't really describe how it works. And last but not least, you get some lint-free wipes, my favorite. You can never have too many lint-free wipes. They're a must when you do your own nails at home. So this is everything that came in my mystery box. I think this kit is absolutely amazing. It's so nice to see all of the stuff that comes in this kit. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch out these dip powder colors for you guys. I'm going to be doing the gel method today, so I'm taking the Bellavina base gel. This is from the Fresh Start Bellavina Polygel Nail Kit, and I'm just taking that base coat and applying it to the swatch stick. Then taking my cuticle pusher and picking up some of the dip powder, and I'm going to sprinkle that over the swatch. Once I get the dip powder evenly coated on the nail, I'm going to do a full 1-minute cure under the UV LED lamp. I'm going to go ahead and do the same step for the other 2 colors as well. I'm going to go ahead and mix this glitter up just a little bit more to make sure that it's even and spread out. And for the glitter dip powder, I am pushing the nail swatch down into the glitter just so that I can pick up all of those chunky glitters, because I think if I sprinkled it on, it's not going to pick it up like it should. So once all of these swatches are cured, I'm taking the mermaid tail fluffy nail brush and dusting away all of the excess dip powder. And I'm going to repeat the same step to do another layer of dip powder on all of the colors. After all of the nails are top coated, these are the colors that came in the mystery box. I really love these 3 colors. They go very well together. On to the manicure portion of this video. I already have my nails prepped. I am wearing the Long Coffin Jelly Tips from Double Dip, which I did cut down the length because I had a different manicure on and they were too long for what I wanted. For this manicure, I am using the mystery color, which is that gorgeous yellow shade. And I am also doing the gel method for this manicure, so I am of course using the Bellavina base gel. I will also be using the mermaid tail fluffy nail brush, the sunflower stickers that came in the mystery box, the Bellavina 180 grit hand file, the top coat from the Bellavina polygel kit, and the cuticle oil, which is number 6. These dip powders do come sealed to prevent them from leaking in the packaging. So to start out this manicure, I'm applying the base coat to my index nail, the entire nail. And then I'm going to pick up my cuticle pusher and sprinkle over the dip powder onto my nail. Whenever you do the gel method, you want to make sure to cover all sides of the nail just to make sure that your nail is fully covered with the dip powder color. I'm going to very gently tap away some of the excess dip powder and then cure under the UV LED lamp. I'm going to do the same step for my pinky and thumbnail as well. After all of the nails are cured, I'm going to dust away all of the excess dip powder. As you can see, I picked up the wrong fluffy nail brush, but this one is still from Double Dip. I will also link this one down below if you're interested in that one. I'm going to do the same step to do a second layer on all 3 nails. I did decide to take my 000, which is the clear base, and apply a layer of this to all of the yellow nails just to make sure that I don't file off any of the dip powder color when I go to file and shape my nails. So I'm going to do the same steps, apply my base gel and then sprinkle over the clear dip powder and then cure for 1 minute. Next, I'm going to take the 180 grit hand file and reshape all of those nails. I'm also going to take the buffing block from the 12-piece Manicure buffing kit and buff over the surface of all of the nails. After those nails are filed and shaped, I'm going to take the sunflower nail stickers to do the other 2 nails. So to apply these nail stickers, I'm going to be using the top coat. Honestly, I probably should have used the base coat, but they're basically the same thing, so I think it's okay. So I'm going to apply a layer of the top coat to my entire nail. And while the top coat is still wet, I'm going to take my tweezers and pick up the sunflower nail sticker. I'm going to take that nail sticker and place it onto the wet gel. You want to make sure to push out any of the air bubbles and make sure that all of the sides of the nail sticker are pushed down into the gel. I'm just going to add 2 more nail stickers to that same nail. Once those stickers are in place, I'm going to do a full 1 minute cure. And I'm going to do the same thing to my other nail as well. I'm going to cure that layer, and then I decided to encapsulate these nail stickers with the clear dip powder. So again, I'm doing the gel method. So I'm taking my gel top coat and applying this to the entire nail. Then taking my cuticle pusher, I'm going to pick up the clear dip powder and pour this over top of my nail. This is just going to encapsulate those nail stickers and prevent me from filing them off when I go to file and buff my nails. Once those nails are cured, I'm going to dust away all of the excess dust. And then I'm taking the buffing block and I'm going to buff over the surface of those nails. After the nails are filed and buffed, I'm going to take the Bellavina top coat and apply this to all of the nails. Because those two middle nails are clear nails, I'm also going to be applying the top coat to the back of the nail as well. I'm going to cure that layer under the UV LED lamp, and once the nails are cured, I'm going to take my cuticle oil, which is number 6, and apply this to all of the cuticles. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what you think about this nail design. And since you made it this far into the video, I will give you a little sneak peek of the next manicure that I do with these products. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!